Hello and welcome to Brother Fredrick Beats. In today's video, I want to take you through how I made this beat without drums. So let's get started. First, start with the sound which I've added, or the synths which I've used in this beat. So as you can see, most of the synth which I've used here, it's Pureit. Then this one is stock sound from FL Studio, which is FL Keys. Then here ePiano from Expand, another third-party plugin which I've used. Then Nexus. Then for the bars, I've used FL Studio bars, which is so you can see the BPM is 75. So I'll start with this first piano. Let me just solo it. So if I go to the next sound, which is this one, which is the low piano, which was playing like this. This one was playing together with the bars. This one here, the bars. Other piano which I've added is this one, just to hear it. So if I go on the piano roll, so this sound was playing them on the mid keyboard. You can see some velocity here that they are not the same. Then the next one is FL key, which is Rhodes piano, which was playing the chords. This one, just to hear it. So just hear this sound which I got from Nexus. You hear? Then I've added some few in. So here I've added the reversed crash, just to hear it. Then I've added this one from FL Studio, just to hear them together with the reversed crash. So if I go on the mixer, let me just show you what I was doing. Like Pureit, the sound quality of Pureit is fairly low. So what I did on the mixer, this one, I added an EQ. So I was boosting the sound so that they can have that quality. Then I've added Fab filter for cleaning the sound here. Then the second EQ, the Fab filter again, I've removed some eyes here. Then what I did here with the pipes here at the beginning, there's this which I've got the forest pipe. So these I've doubled them. There is one which is playing higher, then there's one which is playing low, but it's the same sound. Just hear the first one, then you understand what I mean. So this one was playing the higher octave, then here the second one, which was playing the lower octave. When you double sounds again, they'll sound with the quality. There is some piano which I've added at the verse here. Just hear them. So just hear the first one. Then the second one. So this second one, it's FL Keys. Then the first one, it's from Pureit. So when I play both of them, hear them. You have heard, you can't even know that it's two sound playing the same melody. Then the same piano, here it was playing the lower octave. Then here it was playing the higher octave. So just hear it. Just hear it from here up to these sounds here. So you have heard that it is sounding good. So if you want to buy this beat on this line which you are seeing on the screen, whether it's a MP3, FLP file, WAV file, on this line you are seeing on the screen on Telegram, then I'm going to respond to you. So this has been Brother Fredrick. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm out. I've doubled them so they can. So I've doubled them so that they can sound unique.